Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Girls who apply lipstick every day should be careful because lipstick contains cadmium element which can cause stomach tumor and kidney disease. You are actually eating microplastics and not chewing gum. Every gram contains 100 tiny pieces. A new study has found that consuming creatine improves not only processing speed but also memory. This incredibly preserved 4,000-year-old wagon made of just oak wood, unearthed in the Chashin village of Armenia. It is among oldest wagons in the world. Lion cub peering through the ribcage of a zebra. Greek fire, a deadly ancient weapon, could burn fiercely even on water and was nearly impossible to extinguish. Its exact formula remains a mystery, making it one of the history's greatest unsolved secrets. The Danish wave their national flags at airport arrivals to welcome travelers to the happiest nation in the world. As books age, the paper's organic compounds degrade, emitting chemicals like benzaldehyde, almond scent, vanillin, vanilla aroma, and others, contributing to the characteristic old book smell. The Vatican Apostolic Archive hides centuries-old secrets and untold truths locked away from the world. Its mysteries could change everything we know. Study says arguing in car 40% more likely to escalate than at home. An old mulberry tree in Montenegro has been leaking water constantly since the 1900s. On March 6, 1840, the moon posed for its very first portrait, taken by John William Draper. Did you know it takes asparagus approximately 3 to 4 years from seed to harvest? Once established, an asparagus plant will produce for roughly 20 years. The Japanese macaque's fur is among the densest of any primate, helping it survive sub-zero temperatures. Tortitude is a real thing. Studies show multicolored female cats such as tortoise shell and calico are more likely to have a feisty or aggressive attitude toward humans. A beluga in captivity curiously watches as a man proposes to his girlfriend, seemingly sharing in the special moment. Pythons climb with pure muscle. Dad creates beeping Easter eggs so his blind daughter can participate in Easter egg hunts. Lions are opportunistic but won't chase if they are not in the mood for a meal. Scientists find that we age dramatically in two bursts, first at 44, then again at 60. There are completely silent dance parties known as silent discos where people wear headphones. Anger might enhance creative performance, study says. Paralyzed student completes his degree using only his eyes. With no formal training, 59-year-old Kerala tailor with Kasavu sari treks solo to Everest peak. Bia Arthur, the Golden Girls, was a truck-driving marine in World War II before finding fame as an actress and singer. Different ranks and insignia of Indian Navy. World's shortest dog, Pearl, is tinier than a TV remote at 3.59 inches, sets Guinness World Record. Number of people earning more than 1 crore. 2,300-year-old shoes found frozen in the Altai Mountains feature magnetic plates fastened to the soles, possibly for grounding and staying connected to the earth. A cave in France contains the footprints of an 8 to 10-year-old boy left in the mud approximately 26,000 years ago alongside the paw prints of either a wolf or a large dog. This discovery represents the oldest evidence of human-canine relationship ever found. Regular exercise in old age helps stop immune decline and shields people from infections. Scientists tracked 125 long-distance cyclists, some in their 80s, and found their immune system worked like those of 20-year-olds. A man searching for his biological father discovered that his best friend from grade school was actually his brother. The men, who are 15 months apart in age, had known each other for decades. In the early 1990s, three 13-year-old girls submitted a script for Tiny Toon Adventures. The show's executive producer, Steven, was so impressed with it that he invited the girls to Hollywood to work on the episode and paid them $3,000. Which countries produce the most dates in the world? Egypt. Saudi Arabia. Algeria. Iran. Iraq. Pakistan. Sudan. Oman. Thanks for watching.